Welcome, in front of me is an ASUS Zenfone 7 Pro, and today I'll show you how to boot this device into boot mode. And to get started, let's hold power key, select power off, and once the device shuts off, you want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And there we go, we are now in the boot mode. So from here you can navigate using volume keys, as you can see, and you can start, which will take you back to the Android. You can power off your device, you can enter recovery mode, restart bootloader, which will just take you back to here, and again cycles through start. So whatever you select, you will then press power key to confirm it. And because I selected start, it will take me back to Android now. And there we go. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.